Well, I had a treatment a week and a half ago, and I was a little skeptic, but I went running that first day and felt a little bit just where I was injected with the ozone. But the next day I probably was 50% better. Not as tender as I usually was, felt good. But it was, as I said, 50% better for next 3 or 4 days. But then again, when I checked it a week later, I was so amazed because the swelling was gone, the tenderness was gone, and I felt really good, like 90% better. Came back a little bit over the few days, but it's still 60-70% better than it was. And I had this issue with the Achilles for 4 to 5 years, so I'm a believer now.
Great.
Guy.
Yep.
How'd that feel?
It's good.
Yeah, not bad at all.
No.
Wow.